This video is the thing that you need to become profitable. I promise you, bro. And this video is also a test. Can you make it till the end, okay? Because your dopamine receptors, they're gone, bro. Why? Because nowadays there's so much recreational shit. There's so much dopamine out there that you can get access to. Like, you don't have to do any effort to get that dopamine. And if you're a trader, ambitious young man or female who wants to gain something in this life, all right? You want to gain something in this life. And right now I'm talking about trading, all right? I'm talking about trading. And in trading, you need to be patient. And if you cannot make it till the end of this video, then I have some bad news for you, okay? Because this is a true test for you as well. So pay close attention, because this video will really reveal the truth. And as you can see, you do not see any flipping edits thrown at you like this, like boom, bam, boom. No, that's what I'm talking about, bro. This is a raw video, all right? This is a raw truth video, okay? So dopamine is something that allows you to be motivated. It allows you to actually push through everything, okay? You can do the tasks in your day, okay? And as traders, we need to have good levels of dopamine, okay? We need that drive. And what is number one destruction of dopamine nowadays? Is all the recreational, drugs, recreational things that you're doing out there. Excessive partying, excessive usage of social media, scrolling on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and not focusing on the real thing. That is like empty victories that you get. And I'm telling you something. When I started trading 3.5 years ago, okay, I didn't know anything about this. I wasn't even that serious about trading, okay? I started trading. I was doing all these things. I started to learn a bunch of strategies. I started to do blah, blah, blah. Some people may know the story, but regardless, at some point I was really into trading. And once I had a strategy, I realized how much patience you need in these markets. And the patience is literally the key. Because if you think about it clearly, bro, when you're trying to win a trade, how many thoughts of you have? Like you're like, oh, you see this one setup, but it's not that good. But you decided to take it. It's not completely aligned with your trading plan. And you still decide to take it, and you wonder why you lose. Well, that's just one thing about patience. And that's why you need to really master your patience in these markets, all right? And you need to, I had to say this, but you need to kind of get into kind of some sort of dopamine detox. Now, I'm not saying like you actually need to be in total dopamine detox, nothing, like you cannot, do anything. No, I'm talking about like healthy dopamine detox. Like, what did I do? I actually deleted social media. That's the first thing I do, because the first thing I did when I actually started to get into trading, because I know that the dopamine thing is real, and it will actually deteriorate your dopamine levels. And I'm just gonna tell you the story quickly, my story. So I've been trading for 3.5 years. I've been profitable for 1.5 years, and now I teach it to you, okay? But this video is totally based on dopamine and the motivation and what you need. And this is unscripted video, all right? But regardless, I had to go through a lot of trial and error to get to profitability. But I realized a lot of things that can kind of give me a fast lane to profitability, which is to be patient in the markets, follow my trading plan, blah blah blah. So I did that. There are main few things that I did. So, deleted social media. You do not have to delete social media, but you can reduce it completely, okay? And then, cold showers. And so, delete social media, because why? The social media is like empty victories. You watch videos, and you get empty victories, dopamine, and that's so exciting, and your dopamine levels get below baseline. because there's like empty victories, right? And everything, like you watch those sites, you feel me? They're also below the baseline dopamine levels, okay? Regardless. And you don't have to consume. You can start posting on videos. You can start posting videos like me, okay? That's better because you're actually creating something, not consuming it. Okay. Second thing is cold showers, bro. Cold showers. It's really uncomfortable, right? It's really uncomfortable. I used to take cold showers almost every single day, and then I kind of stopped, and then I realized it was kind of bad decision, so I started to take them again. So cold showers, you know why? Because cold showers actually increase the baseline levels of dopamine. And I promise you, bro, I literally promise you, if you go take a cold shower right now, after this video, it's gonna hurt, okay? It's gonna hurt. Like, I'm talking about like all the way cold. They put it all the way cold. You're in there, it hurts a lot, like a muff, okay? But once you get out from the shower, you feel really good. Like, you feel like you're unbeatable, okay? That's what's up. And that's when your dopamine levels, the baseline gets higher, and that's like a muscle. You take more showers, you become unbeatable, okay? And what also that helps, it allows you to do more hard work, and it feels more good. It feels easier and better. And that's what I started to do, and that really helped me, okay? That really helped me. And patience, my patience also went up. Like, it was easier to be patient in this market. It was easier to focus. So, I mean, if you think about it, bro, when you scroll on TikTok, there's like so many new things. And if you look at the charts, if you compare TikTok to the trading charts, it's a complete different world, all right? Because the trading charts, it's like it's not moving. There's nothing exciting happening. But once you take the trade, that's when you get the spike. Because it's like, I hate to say this, but it's like gambling, okay? When you decide to place a bet in gambling, all right, that's when you get this dopamine spike. But when you just look at the charts, it's boring as shit, okay? And that's when all the thoughts creep in. Like, you want to take the trade. That's when you freaking lose. And that's how I lost a lot of money. But then I realized, the more trades I take, it does not equal to more money. It's all about risk-reward ratio. It's all about taking the best trades. It's all about risk management. And once you realize that, everything starts to align in place. And that's what, like, when I live trade with my Discord every single day, I teach them the same thing. I'm telling them literally, trading can be boring. This can be boring, but this makes us money. And then they're like, oh yeah, makes sense, you know. And I'm teaching them at the same time. I'm trying to like give you this sort of reality to you. I'm putting the reality to the surface that it's, first of all, trading is hard, and trading, you kind of need a dopamine detox or some sort of control over your emotions and control over your freaking dopamine levels, all right? Because we're in a world where dopamine is so accessible in every way. Empty victories everywhere you can get access to. And that's fine. But if you're a trader, that's not fine. Because it's so hard. Like, trading becomes much, like, it's crazy to explain, but trading becomes much more easier when you're in control of your emotions and everything. And when you're in control of your life, you're doing good habits. You're doing good habits. You're taking cold showers. You're not scrolling on TikTok. Trading becomes much more easier, and you become less stressed in life, and your life quality becomes better. So that means your trading becomes better. That's one thing about cold showers as well. Your life quality gets better. Everything becomes more enjoyable, and you become less stressed. And hard work becomes easy. Hard work. So I promise you, bro. I freaking promise you, bro. Do the good habits. Start doing good habits. You do not need to go in a freaking monk mode, but you can do the habits that I told you to do. Take cold showers, reduce a lot of the social media, reduce the recreational drugs, reduce the excessive partying, reduce all the bad habits and start to increase the good habits, which will actually get you further in your towards the trading success. I promise you, bro. If you start to do this, it will increase drastically. Your profits will start to skyrocket. That's what happens for me. That's what literally happened for me. Okay, my profits start to skyrocket when I start to implement these things and reduce the bad habits. That's all. That's what's up. Obviously, you need the strategy. You need to know what to do. But when you're able to focus and not take those stupid trades because you feel like it, that's when everything falls in place. And nowadays I make a good money in these markets. I'm 17. If I can do it, bro, you can do it. It's not that hard. Stop being a victim, bro. Like, years ago, there were people working 10 times harder than you with like 10 times less the money you could get access to. They were working in fields. People were freaking working in fields, and because they didn't have the access that we had. All right, you have to understand, bro. Social media, it allows us to get the knowledge and everything, but most of the people do not realize to use it the right way. You feel me? You have the best access. There's never been a point in our freaking humankind of life. I don't know what to tell you, but there's never been that kind of access to information. This kind of access to information. This kind of access to internet money. So, bro, take action, bro. Take freaking action. Okay? That's what's up. So, if you like this video, comment down below, like, subscribe, you feel me? And join the free Discord from the description, get free access to the trading. And if you want to live trade with me, it should be also the first link. All right? Peace out.